Dino's hungry in his lair. Little truck is in a scare. Vroom, vroom, rescue, hear the sound. Let's get you on safe ground. Hooray! Dino's hungry in his lair. Little truck is in a scare. Vroom, vroom, rescue, hear the sound. Let's get you on safe ground. Hooray! Dino's hungry in his lair. Little truck is in a scare. Vroom, vroom, rescue, hear the sound. Let's get you on safe ground. Hooray!
Look at the little red dump truck. Vroom, vroom, vroom. He's having so much fun playing in the sand. Wow, what's that? A big dark cave. Uh-oh. Look out, it's a dinosaur. Roar. The T-Rex got the dump truck. He's pulling him into the cave. Help me. But wait, back at the emergency station, the emergency alarm is ringing. Wee-woo, wee-woo. Vroom, vroom, vroom. He's going super fast to save the day. He found the cave. He's going in. Be brave, Monster Police Truck. He's got him. He's pulling the little red dump truck out with his strong tow rope. Pull, pull, pull. Hooray! The dump truck is safe. Thank you, Monster Police Truck. I'm free! Yay! Meanwhile, deep in the forest, a little green cement mixer is exploring. Spin, spin, spin. Look, a cozy little cave under the tree roots. Oh no, not again. It's the T-Rex. Roar! He grabbed the cement mixer. Somebody help! Whoa, help! An emergency call goes out. The forest rescue team is on the way. And the brave tow truck has arrived. The tow truck is going into the cave. He's hooking up the cement mixer and pull! He's pulling him to safety. Great job, tow truck! And now, let's go to the sunny beach. Wow, a yellow excavator is playing by the beautiful ocean. The excavator sees a cool sand cave. Look out, little excavator. The T-Rex is back. Roar! Oh no, he got the excavator. Oh, help! We need a hero. And look, here comes the big blue trailer truck. He's super long and super strong. The trailer truck found the cave. The excavator is loaded safely onto the big flatbed. Now they can drive away. Hooray! Everyone is safe. What a great rescue day. Bye-bye, truck!
Fire truck, go, go, go. Crash them down in a row. Ambulance, go, go, go. Crash them down in a row. Police car, go, go, go. Crash them down in a row. Dump truck, go, go, go. Crash them down in a row. School bus, go, go, go. Crash them down in a row.
Fire truck, go, go, go. Crash them down, what a show.
Ambulance, go, go, go. Crash them down, what a show.
Police car,
Go, go, go. Crash them down, what a show. Dump truck, go, go, go. Crash them down, what a show. School bus, go, go, go. Crash them down, what a show.
show.
Vroom! I'm the fire truck. Woo, 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 yeah! Yahoo! Woohoo! Crush! Ta-da! Wee-woo! I'm the ambulance. Gotta go fast. Woo-woo! Incoming! Crash! car. Woohoo! Yeah! Kaboom! Wow! Oh no! Woohoo! Yeah! Crunch! Woohoo! I'm the dump truck. Cannonball! Crash! Bam! Yeah! Whoa! Yikes! I'm the school bus. Woohoo! Bouncy, bouncy! School is out! Crash-a-langa! Let's party! Come on! Yay! Woo! Woohoo! Yeah!
Down in the mud, oh dear, oh dear, oh no, oh no, oh no. Cars are stuck, they're stuck right here, oh no, oh no, oh no. Big trucks coming, look, 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 save the day, save the day. With the scoop and with the hook, hip, hip, hooray, hooray.
Wow! Oh no! I'm stuck! Help! Hold on, everyone. I'm here to help. Look, what's that? It's a rescuer! Whir. Clink! Gotcha! Woohoo! I'm free! Drip, drip, plop. Psh, shook. Everyone in! Whoa! 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 We're moving! Whee! Yeah! All right! We're saved! Vroom zoom! Freedom! Let's go! Beep beep! Woohoo! Whoosh! Rumble! Oh no! Not again! We're trapped! The water is rising!
Chugga, 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 chugga.
Need a way out? Ramp coming down! Look! A bridge! Go, go, go! Ta-ta-da-da! Phew! We made it! All aboard! Let's roll! Rumble! Shh! Help! We're buried! Grrr! Don't move! I'll dig you out! Scrape! Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da! Heave! Ho! Got you! Boing, 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 boing! Hooray! Yay! We did it! Teamwork!
Hello, I'm a fire truck, big and red.
Please park in number 1, it said.
The gate goes up, I'm on my way. Hooray, I'm parked.
Let's play all day.
Hello, I'm an ambulance, white and fast.
Please park in number 2 at last.
The gate goes up, so I drive through.
Wee woo, how do you do?
Hello, I'm a dump truck, strong and blue.
Please park in number 3.
Brand new.
The gate goes up with a rumble and a shake. For goodness gracious, what a fun day to make.
Hello, I'm a mixer, swirly and green.
Please park in number 4.
One
what a scene. The gate goes up, I'll mix it up with glee. Come on everybody, park with me. Hello, I'm a school bus, yellow and bright.
Please park in number 5 with all your might.
The gate goes up, I see my friends and cheer. All 5 cars are finally here.
Wow, look at the red fire truck. He's on an adventure. Oh, now he's on a sandy desert road. Be careful, Mr. Fire Truck. Whee! Look at him go. A super red fire truck on a seesaw. Up and down, up and down. Time to go to the parking lot. The gate is opening for the red fire truck. Let's find a spot. Perfect! Parking spot number 1. Here comes the white ambulance. Wee woo, wee woo. He's crossing a special leaf bridge. So cool! Whoa! A surprise shower! Splish splash! The white ambulance is getting a fun car wash in the sprinkler. Okay, all clean. Time for the white ambulance to park. The gate opens and he parks right next to the fire truck in spot number 2. Good job! It's the big blue dump truck. He's full of sand. Whoosh! He dumps it all out. What a strong truck! The blue dump truck is exploring the forest. Plink plunk. Yummy acorns are falling into his bucket, a tasty snack. He dumps them out for his squirrel friends. Splish splash, the blue dump truck loves driving through the mud. The gate opens and he parks in spot number 3. Welcome, dump truck. Look at the green cement mixer. He's driving carefully over a flower garden. Don't squish the flowers. Now he's going through a secret, dark tunnel. Spooky! The green cement mixer made it. The gate opens and he finds his spot right next to the blue dump truck. Hooray for parking spot number 4! Here comes the yellow school bus. Beep, beep. He's wiggling and waggling down the road. Hop, hop, hop. He's jumping over the pine cones. So bouncy. The yellow school bus arrives at the parking lot. The gate opens wide, and he pulls into the last spot. Number 5. All 5 friends are here. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Look at them do a happy parking dance. Yay!
Drive, drive, driving fast and free.
Drive, drive, happy as can be.
Vroom, vroom down the bumpy track.
Drive, drive, never looking back.
Load, load, loading up the ground.
Load, load all the dirt we found.
Scoop it high and pile it in.
Load, load with a happy grin.
Oh no,
Oh no, slipping to the side.
oh no.
Oh no, nowhere left to hide.
Splash and sploosh into the water we go.
Oh
Oh no, what a funny show.
Vroom, vroom! Here comes the big yellow truck. Rumble, rumble, rumble. Oh, look out! Screech! Whoa! That was a close one. What a shiny truck. Gleam, gleam. Chugga, chugga, choo-choo. A little yellow tractor is here to see what's happening. He's pulling a big red wagon. Clank, clank. Up on the bridge we go. It's a cool orange and blue truck. Beep, beep. He's driving so carefully. Don't look down. Now it's the blue tractor's turn. He's pulling a big yellow trailer. What's this? A super cool digger. Clang, clang. His big shovel goes up, up, up. And the backhoe goes down, down, down. Look at all the trucks together. It's a construction party. The digger is scooping up the dirt. Scoop, scoop. He's putting it in the truck. Plop, plop, plop. Good job. The truck is full. Off he goes. Vroom! He drives to the edge and tumble, tumble, dump, splash. Time to fill up the tractor's trailer. Scoop, plop. The tractor drives away, but oh no! Wibble, wobble. The trailer falls right into the river. Ker-plunk. Let's try that again with the blue tractor. The digger fills up his trailer with yummy dirt. Plop, plop. The tractor drives. Can he make it across the gap? Now it's the big yellow truck's turn. Scoop, plop, scoop, plop. The digger fills him all the way to the top. The truck is full and driving carefully. Rumble, rumble. But wait, he's slipping into the muddy ditch. Sploosh! He's stuck again. Here comes the strong blue tractor to the rescue. Chugga, chugga. He pulls and pulls. Heave, ho! With a big tug, the truck is free. Hooray! What a busy day. Great work, team. Hip, hip, hooray!
Yes!
rumble.
Oh no, look at me, stuck in the mud so heavily. Pull me out, tow me now, save the ride, I'm the school bus. Beep beep.
Oh no, look at me, trapped in the sand, can't move my wheels. Pull me out, tow me now, save the day, I'm the ambulance. Wee woo.
Oh no, look at me, ash and soot all over me. Pull me out, tow me now, make me shine, I'm the fire truck. Woo woo.
Oh no, look at me, gravel and stones are covering me. Pull me out, tow me now, spin again, I'm the mixer truck. Swirl.
Oh no, look at me,
Hanging on branches dangerously.
pull me out, tow me now.
Save the dig, I'm the excavator. Scoop, scoop.